we've got some behind the scenes photos. I'd love to roll them right now and have you talk a little bit about what we're seeing.
Yeah, so this is the VPF, the variable pitch fan, we call it, which is in-house designed by actually the young gentleman there. His name's David Cancel, and he's taken the requirements and developed it, which means we can optimize our motor RPMs and controller systems to the mission, which saves a lot of mass, a lot of weight, which increases our overall efficiency for the aircraft. Very, very talented guy.
Very cool. All right, here we go. What are we looking at here?
Same thing, actually. This is the variable pitch. This is the guts of it, actually. So it's very, very compact. You can see the size of his hand. There's nothing like it on the market. It uses an unusual design, which tactically his fingers are covering, because we are going to look at potentially marketing it. So this is the painting of the latest generation aircraft. So we just received this back from our producers in Arizona, and we were just trimming it up, doing the final painting, ready for installation of all the equipment.
Very cool.
And this, again, is the harness going into the fuselage. It's a complex aircraft.
Well, it definitely gives you some perspective when you see the two gentlemen next to the aircraft, standing, obviously vertically, like kind of that horizontal length of the aircraft, even without the wings. The fuselage itself. Oh, look, and we've got a hangar. So what do we got going on here?
Right. So this was a very special moment. So Ollie and Atlee, the two gentlemen there, had just put the aircraft onto its wheels for the very first time. So we just attached the undercarriage to the fuselage, and they'd literally just turned it onto its wheels. So that's the first time the aircraft went on gear.
I love it. You can see the excitement, kind of the hands up and the
Oh yeah,
clapping, and
yeah,
it's such a great picture.